one thing is certain. As the river salmon were boiled alive, they created the fastest food joint in history. The last clearances are quickening. The patchwork of scar tissue carved ever deeper in the Amazon, that great lung of the Americas. Its peoples, who once nestled among twisted roots and sweaty undergrowth, are beaten and shot, burnt and hung in the old way, preferred by ranchers dressed in dusky leather, or cowboys with their slicked hair. The forest wheezes with them, expelling the smoke bought by carbon merchants.